Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the gold charts. Got some very exciting news to share with you all today, and it's with regards to my Signal service. For those who would still like to join my Signal team, this weekend could be the perfect opportunity due to the fact I'm offering a 50% sale on our yearly subscription plan. So to benefit from this sale, and by the way, it's only valid until Monday, so it's only on for this weekend. Just head over to my website, dailymarketmovements.com, and then once you're on the joining page and you have to enter your card details, make sure you add the code 50SALE, all in capital letters, and click apply. And of course, that will then knock the price from $299 all the way down to only $149.50 for that yearly subscription plan. It is a fantastic opportunity to join my Signal team at a bargain. And don't forget, that's only valid until this Monday. But let's have a look at the gold markets. Gold, looking very bearish at this moment in time. And this is something I've anticipated for the past couple of months, pretty much since the start of this year. I do not like gold. I think it's a very outdated asset. It's held by, mostly the older generations. It's very rare that you find someone in their 20s or 30s holding gold bars underneath their beds, like their granddads or their grandparents may be doing so. So I really do not like gold. I think eventually it loses most of its value. I've been saying that for a long time. I think that this year we could be going down towards 15,000. A lot of people thought I was crazy a few weeks ago when gold was trading up here. I had a lot of people commenting on my YouTube channel saying, "No way, Max, you're wrong. Gold's going to go to 2,500, then 3,000." And I've always argued that I don't believe that is the case, but that's only my opinion, and I'm using YouTube as a platform where I can come on and share my opinion, and it's perfectly healthy and great when I'm able to debate this with my viewers. So one massive key development in the past week or so for the gold markets is that we've now finally broken below that 200-day EMA, which was all the way up at 1860. This is incredibly bearish for the gold price chart. On top of that, we've just now broken below the 0.38 fib retracement level that was yesterday, and of course the next one is all the way down at 1770, and this is an area where I do expect us to go and target. I think we get there within the next couple of days. One thing to be wary of, guys, is that the gold on the RSI is now pretty much at the oversold levels. We're at 30.48, as you can see at the bottom left of my screen, and I don't think it would be surprising if we did see a nice little bounce here for the gold markets. Perhaps it's that we go and retest that 200-day EMA up at 1860. And then that, of course, corrects the RSI ever so slightly, and then that gives us that final push through that we need to go down towards 1770. Or it may be that we actually go straight to 1770, get that bounce back up towards the 200-day EMA, which will then largely correct that RSI reading, and then eventually we have that follow-through movement all the way down to around 1680. Once we clear 1680, I think this is that will open up a very large trapdoor where we will see a breakdown towards 1600, and then eventually 1500 going into the latter end of 2022. I just want to take you onto the weekly chart just to kind of zoom out and see what previously happened here in the gold charts. Again, during this period here, during the financial crisis in 2010 to 2011, we have many investors, coming out and saying, gold's going to go to 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 record highs. We heard it all, but guess what happened? We actually broke down significantly, and within a couple of years, we were trading all the way back down at $1,050. So, it just goes to show that don't always believe everything you read and see on the internet, because a lot of people, they will just be trying to clickbait basically. You will see some articles on the likes of investing.com or these YouTube videos, and it just comes down to clickbait. They'll announce some stupid titles where they'll say gold's heading to 4,000. It's only just because they want you to click on their video, and they'll get money through ads, etc. So be very, very cautious of what you see, hear, and read on the internet. But personally, my opinion, whether you believe it or not, is that I think that gold's going down to 1,500 in the latter end of 2022. In the movements that we've seen here in the gold markets over the past couple of weeks, I have been right time and time again. Even my Signal team have been shorting gold. I think towards the end of April we successfully made 2 great trades shorting gold here, and I think that there's going to be plenty more money-making opportunities on the horizon. So as it's the weekend, guys, don't forget to go and check out my website and enter that coupon code 50SALE, apply it, and join my Signal team for a year for a very small fee of $149.50.